Moving on to the next circuit, y'all. We got sumo deadlift with kettlebell or any type of weight. You can use a bag, potting soil, whatever you have with you. And then we have bent over row. I'm going to be using the kettlebell again. Now we're adding in tempo. So we're going to go 3, 1, 1. That means 1 second pull, 1 second pause at the top, and then 3 second down. So, and then we're going to finish that with plank. Plank is going to be 20 seconds. Bent over row is going to be 8 each arm. Sumo deadlift is going to be 10 total. So let's take our kettlebell, our weight. It's going to start right under us. Now, pretty much the form that I'm in would be considered a normal deadlift form. I'm going to scoot back slightly. Sumo deadlift is, okay, I step out, almost similar to our lateral squat stance where we'd be going down. But now, all I'm doing is pushing my hips backward. Then I bend my knees. The only thing to look forward or to look towards is not to bend my knees inward. I go hips back and I almost shoot my knees outward. So if you prefer, and I would recommend this, go ahead and point your toes outward. So you really look like a sumo, like whatever, however you imagine a sumo. Maybe I can put on one of those suits. So knees shoot outward. I grab the weight, it starts right under me. All I'm gonna do now is stand up tall, your legs should be straight at the top, and then you're just going right back down into the sumo. I already feel this on the inside of my legs. So this is why adding in sumo, different stance variations is so beneficial to strength training, that you're working different muscles that you may not be used to, and you're not just gonna stay in the same movement pattern. We like to switch it up whenever I train with people, so it's a lot more fun, and you're working different muscles and different movement patterns. We have 10 there. Now we're gonna grab our kettlebell, our weight, and we're gonna get bent over row. Remember I mentioned we have tempo, so if I'm doing bent over row, it's gonna start to the left of me. All I'm going to do here is get in a good bent over row position. So I shoot my hips back, knees bent. I want my back to be flat. I'm gonna pick up the weight. I'm gonna go 1 second row up. So 1 second hold, and then 3, 2, 1, down. So one more time. 1, 1, 2, 3. So this eccentric tempo, eccentric just refers to the lowering part. Like if I'm doing a push-up, that would actually be going into it. Eccentric. Whenever my muscle's lengthening, in this case my bicep is lengthening, and part of my back is, I'm actually working harder because I have to hold on to the same weight, the same load, rather than when my muscle is contracting. So it's fun to add these in. This helps with muscle growth, and also you might be feeling a little bit sore tomorrow, but hey, it's really good for controlling the weight and for growing muscle. Then we're gonna move into plank, and the plank is gonna be 20 seconds. So, pillar bridge plank, meaning I'm on my elbows. You decide the feet width that you have, and just holding here, pressing the ground away for 20. We have this circuit 4 times, 10 reps sumo deadlift with kettlebell with any kind of load. 8 each side with 3, 1, 1 tempo, meaning 1 second pull, 1 second hold, 3 second eccentric, and then plank 20 seconds, repeated 4 times, y'all.